Pin oak trees have been a favorite of Oklahomans for several years, but really the pin oak trees are better adapted to the eastern part of the state or in really fertile soils. The pin oak tree is known for its good branching angles. It's pretty fast growing and it's still a very strong tree, as well as the leaves, as you can notice, hang on throughout the winter time. And if you let the tree grow in its natural form, it will actually grow at an angle with the branches headed down towards the ground. So it really is a favorite tree. However, over in the western and the central parts of Oklahoma, where our pH is a little bit more alkaline or more sweet, we run into some problems of pin oak chlorosis. And this is a problem where the leaves actually turn a chlorotic color during the growing season, a yellowish color with the veins remaining green. And it can weaken the tree. The leaves may even fall off prematurely, and if it weakens a tree, you might have more insect and disease problems as well. Well, we've known for years that sulfur will actually lower the pH of the soil, and we've also known that mulching around trees helps and is very beneficial in keeping moisture and weed competition out. But finally, some researchers from the University of Illinois have come up with a research project where they were adding wood shavings or chipped up bark or branches, and they put it on under the drip line about 3 inches thick. And this mulch actually served as a moisture conserver for the root system. You got a little bit more fibrous roots, plus it helped on weed competition. But what they do in addition to that is add some ammonium sulfate. And ammonium sulfate has a little bit of nitrogen in it as well as sulfur. And again, the sulfur is used to help lower that pH. Now the recommended rate is to put on about 6 pounds of ammonium sulfate per 1,000 square feet. And what you would do is just broadcast this over the top of the mulch. We have 50 square feet, so we'll be putting on approximately 1 pound directly under the drip line. And again, the nitrogen will help the chips in breaking down because as they decompose, they're going to steal nitrogen from the soil. And then the sulfur, over a period of time, will help lower that pH. So especially on trees that are smaller, this is a good practice to do this time of year because, again, it will help alleviate those iron chlorotic problems that we're having with our pin oaks. So try to go over to a tree maintenance company or maybe your Parks and Recreation Department or someplace where they chip up trees and see if you can't get some wood shavings and put on a little bit of ammonium sulfate and try to correct those problems that you're having with your pin oaks.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.